I love making noise. Yeah.
Food and friends.
Family and friends.
Music makes me happy.
Cartoons make me happy. Food makes me happy.
Fruit pulp, any day.
Like cocktails on the beach while lying there, just with the sunset. Just like tick. Yeah.
I love spending time with family and friends.
I love myself
With the staff. That's right.
Family, the fact that we always look after each other and are always there for each other.
I like food. I really like food. Food makes me really happy.
Music, family, my friends.
Seeing other people happy.
To me, fitness is wealth, fitness is life, power, because it connects you to your best in everything you do.
Fitness is my lifestyle.
Fitness is a lifestyle.
Fitness is what you make of it. It's whatever you do to make your body healthy, to exercise, find fun, and the same things that I do, color, running, playing with kids. Whatever you do, keep fit, keeps you healthy and strong. You should do it.
Eating fruits and chocolate.
I love adventure. It keeps me young.
What keeps me young is cooking.
Being with the people that I love and doing the things that I love. What makes me happy is feeling an emotional connection to the people, places, and things around me.
Na mimi nafurahia.